Hey y'all, it's me Ace Pilot 109, also known as Captain John, and now I'm not going to waste your time. This review is on the RunCam2 4K version with micro SD card included. Here are some example footage from the camera for you to look at while I talk. I paid $115 USD for this camera. There's a version that is not 4K that is more affordable, around $90, but I got the version that came with the micro SD card and reader for an extra 15 bucks. This is commonly referred to as the best action camera made for anything RC. The camera weighs only 49 grams and has a wide field of view. It also has a free app that allows you to edit pretty much every setting for the camera, like the field of view, quality, and the exposure, just to list a few. Just by the way, my camera is set at default. When you get the package, it comes with a camera, a click and mount, a tripod attachment, a little universal screw, a USB plug with wires you can connect to your own power source and other cool stuff, an extra lens protector, and a card leading you to the online instructions. Mine also came with the micro SD card and a SD card reader because that is what I selected. I used this camera on my last project with the drone and I got some pretty awesome footage, but I also wanted to get some footage for this video. So I went out and taped this camera onto my Aeroscout RC plane and put the camera in different locations around the plane just to get some cool angles and see how it goes. Obviously the weight of the camera and where you place it is going to affect your center of mass and the way the airplane flies, but 49 grams and a low profile, it was very easy to fly with this camera attached to the Aeroscout. By the way, this footage is actually a little lower quality because of the YouTube compression, so the camera actually does produce even better footage than what you're seeing. Well, that's a general overview. This is a great little camera, and compared to a GoPro, it's cheaper, lighter, and it comes in a cool orange. So if you have any questions, please let me know and I'll do my best to help you out. Links to their website and Amazon will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this educational, useful, or entertaining, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.